There's a whole game world, an entire mini field for mini golf. Take a regular notebook folder with a rubber band and cover the inside with thick blue paper. Cut a golf field template with ball holes out of cardboard. Trace it on green felt and cut out. Make ball holes using a hole punch. Make the parts of the field out of yellow felt. Trace the paper templates and cut them out. Decorate the green zones with the yellow details. And glue the golf courses to the main field. Attach some chenille stem to the borders of the golf courses. Decorate the zones with little yellow stones. You may use fish tank stones. Now, make the golf clubs. Take plastic straws and thick paper. Cut a small oval out of the paper. Make a cut on the straw and put in the paper detail. Use toy bullets as golf balls. Drive a ball into a hole using a mini golf club. The friends take their tiny golf clubs and teeny balls. The mini golf is so itty-bitty and cozy, except there is no place for the girls to play together. Who will be the first to hit? I suggest using dice so that we don't quarrel or poke out each other's eyes with the clubs. The dice will show who is the first to hit. Cut marshmallow into cubes. Draw round dots with a food marker denoting pips on the facets. The sum of the pips on the opposite facets should be equal to 7. Turn all marshmallow cubes into the dice. The girls throw the dice. I get 6. It means that I win and I will be the first to play golf. Redhead is disappointed. The dice help their owner for sure. So that my friend won't get upset, I offer for her to eat the dice. Except that Miss Smith makes a remark for the girls to stop eating in class. Okay, then we will play golf. Redhead wins, and I can't manage to sink the ball into the cup. I try again, but the main referee of this tournament, Miss Golfsmith, comes. She confiscates the game. She seems to really like the mini golf. She can already teach golf instead of math. I have a secret snack, cotton candy. I treat my friend and want to play a little. First of all, I roll cotton candy into balls. Take apart a pen to get an empty barrel. Use the pen as a straw. Blow in it, directing the stream of air onto a ball. The winner blows the ball the furthest. I've come up with a cotton candy tournament, but my friends turned into a nerd, desperately taking notes. So I blow a ball on her side of the field. Well, the game has started. The girls keep blowing onto the cotton candy balls as hard as they can through their pens. But when there is not enough air in their lungs, they start wrestling. And this game is not for the faint-hearted. A cup catapult to hit the teacher. Cut off the bottoms of plastic cups with a heated knife. Attach decorative tape to the edge. Tie knots on balloons and cut off the tops. Pull the balloons onto the top part of the cups. Put a light table tennis ball into each. Pull the balloon and shoot with the ball. The girls are getting ready, aim, fire! The shot flies directly into the enemy's camp. Miss Smith survives bombing with courage, and she prepares to fight back. Redhead has something on her mind again. This time she takes wafers from under her desk, but they are not for a snack. We will play Wafer Jenga. Arrange all the wafers into a tower and take them out one by one so that the tower doesn't fall. The girls are so deep in the game that they fail to notice the impending threat. But it seems that Miss Smith loves Jenga too. Or she likes wafers. Anyways, she's also in. Finally, the teacher understands that taking away the students' games is pointless. It is better to play with them. Moreover, some games are edible. Did you like our school games? Then write in your comments how you will entertain yourself and your friends during a boring class. Will you arrange a mini golf tournament, make a cotton candy ball race, or play wafer Jenga? And don't forget to give your thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so that you'll be among the first to find out new ideas on the Troom channel.